is Mubarak Osman. I'm Sapoji Polenji captain. But this match is so fantastic. It's so nice. Actually, it was not easy. As you know, football there, as lose or win, I know that by the grace of Almighty Allah, we shall take the card. We are prepared to take the card.
Hi, we're from Frax. We're feeling very good. Unfortunately, our team captain, he cannot attend this match, but our players, they played as well what they can do. Today, the weather is very good for this playing football. All the organizers team, this QSL team, we want to thanks because they give us this opportunity to attend this match. Then we played, we enjoy, and we gain something from this match. Let's hope in future also it's able to attend. Wish you all the best to all team.